Okay. Front porch. Reno, Oklahoma bricks. I'm gonna stop right where I'm not supposed to. Oh, you're fine. I'm just doing a video.
Trying to turn on that light. I can't figure out.
The chandelier?
Yeah.
Is it this? Well, no, that's. Oh, we got a real drippy shower in here.
That's what this one should be doing. Right down here.
There's another little button right there.
Floor right there.
Oh, it does have the wood floors on it. Hardwood floor. Oh, good job.
I'm trying to get them turned on. Just give me a minute. You're gonna edit that, right?
I'll let you edit it. How's that?
No.
Oh, look at that lamp. Beautiful. I don't know where that came from. I'm telling you, if you had a couple 100,000, I would be going, oh, you should get this. It's so cool. It is really neat. Oh, how many fireplaces are in this?
Oh yeah, cast iron stove.
Oh, here's the servant stairs.
What is it?
Servant stairs. Servant stairs. Comes to the kitchen. Servant stairs. Oh, goodness. They really, I don't know what the heck. Yeah, this is a.
Move.
I mean, if you put enough money into this, this could be an absolute showpiece. It was owned, well, I think it was actually designed by a famous architect. It's got a pedigree. The house itself has a pedigree.
It's cool.
But it's needing some work. Look at that tub.
That tub is cool.
Look at the side of the
With
tub.
people on it.
Wow.
This is the way it's set
Oh, that is just neat.
and the way that.
Yeah, shower curtain.
That's cool.
Yeah. This is really neat. It is hot in here. Oh, utility room. It's got a huge utility room. What? What? Oh, basement. I'm like, is there a rat? What are you pointing at? Oh, you want me to go down there?
I don't think you ought to because there's no rails and it's steep.
Okay, well then I won't go down there.
Huge.
Do you want to go down there?
Oh no.
I'm not going down there because it's too steep.
It's big. It should be huge.
It is. Ouch.
Oh,
Watch your head.
Head.
Oh, this is weird, y'all.
Okay, I'm coming down then.
Be careful.
That's all you got to say is it's weird, and I'm there.
Wood floor in here.
There's, oh, really?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
I think they kept animals down here.
It's starting to smell a little funky. Could just be musty though, because it's a basement.
No, watch your head.
Yeah. Yeah,
I mean, those stairs are sturdy though.
they really are. You just gotta take them. Oh my goodness, look at all this. They started, looks like they've tried to finish it.
You see?
It smells almost like gas.
What?
Oh, holy mother of God.
What is it? What is that?
Oh, fireplace. Here's a fireplace chimney, but no fireplace.
You see that brick floor?
Mm-hmm.
And a big old sink?
Wash basin. And this is probably a door to the backyard.
Yeah.
You can walk down in here from the backyard. And there's your hot water tank.
That looks like new ductwork. What that looks like? It is. I bet they had to do that to put ductwork in it.
We ain't even been upstairs yet. This place is huge. My knees are creaking. Oh my God.
I mean, if these are these stairs are sturdy as hell.
Oh yeah, they are.
Like 200 pounds.
It's an old house. It's got good bones. A lot of old houses will have good bones.
Oh no.
That's just a makeshift ceiling tile. What?
This is original.
It's
shit.
beautiful.
This is original. That door is all original.
I mean, look at
don't
this.
think this is.
Look at this tile. I mean, this tile is just gorgeous.
Here's a piece of it.
Oh, so pretty.
A gavel?
I think this was owned by a judge.
Oh.
No, seriously, it was built for a judge by a famous architect.
Here's the. It's called Old Brident. B-R-I-D.
It's cool.
Is
No, I didn't even see that. Oh God, I'm so sweaty. Oh, there's a back little deck. And this goes to the front porch.
There's a sliding, I think there's sliding glass. Yeah, the sliding glass door.
It's kind of like a mud room, but with a cast iron fireplace. Okay.
With a ceiling fan.
Yes.
Better get upstairs for
Before we die of-
There in that basement, it looked like there's a hole busted through it. It looked like brand new ductwork.
Yeah.
Bright, shiny.
Yeah.
Somebody probably bought this on the cheap, was trying to do it, and it got all too much.
Just a little Harry Potter room. Oh, but look at this woodwork. I mean, you just don't find this in houses anymore. It's just beautiful. Oh, look up. Oh God, it's hot up here. Oh.
I think my mom had a house with this kind of carpet in there.
In the 80s?
Oh.
70s? Probably 70s.
Yeah.
Oh. Look at that window seat. That is so cool. Another fireplace.
Cool.
Wow. And it's same pass-through rooms. So this would have been like a study, or I mean sitting room and a bedroom. Good Lord. It's actually a really, really big closet. Holy crap. It goes all the way over to the... Oh, that's got to be convenient, I guess. And we have another room.
See, here's really shiny vent.
Oh, they started. They might have started and ran out of money or realized it was going to take more money than they had.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, look.
I know, pencil sharpener. See, this has got a door with a window.
Huh.
Huh, weird. Oh, look at this tub.
Not the bathroom.
Or big old clawfoot tub.
Oh, cool.
Just window clean.
Oh.
I thought it was actually a stained glass window. I was like, oh, it is not. Oh my. Toilet. Cabinet right next to the toilet. Full of mouse droppings. If I scream, it's because I saw a mouse. Oh, this is a, what?
Washroom. I had to think.
That's really very
Hey,
odd.
be careful right here.
We got another.
Solid.
That may just be torn carpet. Wow. I am sweating like a pig.
Mhm.
Oh. But I don't care. This is cool. My sister has been wanting to come look at this. She's wanted to buy this for ages. She's been watching it for about 6 or 7 months. She's like, come show me that house this weekend. I went,
We need to turn off
oh yeah, I guess I probably better go turn that off.
the lights.
Wait, what is? Oh, huh.
To the
Why
back.
do they have? This is. Oh,
bathroom?
no, it's the stairs.
Oh.
But it's got a window, which is
Huh.
super weird. Huh.
I guess if somebody could be down there and saying, come on.
That's weird. Wait, oh no, this is the servants' stairs.
Oh.
That's what that is. Because I thought, that's not the stairs. Yeah, we got them.
What's that light right there?
This hall light?
Oh,
It's that one.
okay.
It needs something more sparkly chandelier
Yeah.
right there.
Cool, cool, cool.
Now, if this banister could tell some stories.
I don't even want to know. How many? Never mind.
It's just an old banister. He's gonna tell us how many people.
Oh, my mind goes nasty and dark.
It's pretty solid.
Yeah, it is very solid.
All them stairs were all, they creak, they're solid.
Super solid.
Yeah, if you had,
It's hotter upstairs than it is down here.
if I had $300,000,
I still wouldn't buy it.
you don't think
God, no. It'd take more than that.
to restore this house?
Yes. To restore it correctly, yes. It would take a lot of money. I mean, but it'd be worth it in the end because it's just gorgeous.
That's what I'm saying.
I mean, look at that.
What's up with this?
Huh?
That's just a piece.
There's,
That's just a strip.
yeah, I think that was, we don't have enough of this antique wallpaper, so let's just do some strips and make it look, well, I don't know. Not really sure.
Wow.
But wow, it is beautiful. It's very hot. So hot in there. Did it say leave that light on?
Yes.
Did you leave it on?
Are they on?
Oh, it was the outside. Okay. Whew. Wow, I am sweating. Okay, we're good. Ugh.
Yeah, this would be so cool.
Gorgeous. Do you have that sheet of paper? What's that number?
6403.
Because it's going to make me open it again. Okay. Oh, it is beautiful. It's a beautiful house. Bless you.
All day.
You didn't go into the third story?
I don't know.
We didn't see a third story.
Is that not a third story right there?
I'm gonna guess it's attic. It is beautiful though. Yeah, it has a lot of potential for the right person that wants to restore it.